Amazing.
Yeah, isn't that pretty? I got that from Hong Kong.
No, I meant this. What just happened?
Yeah, that was pretty amazing.
Let me show you something. You know what?
What?
I feel weirdly comfortable around you.
Aww. कब करनी है मम्मी डैडी से बात? Destination wedding करनी?
I don't think किसी को पता है इसके बारे में.
I believe that atoms are what bring people together. And I'm looking for a girl whose atoms respond with my atoms so that we can cook a molecule of love together. You wrote this? It's so cute.
Cute है, पर epic fail भी है. इस पे 3 सालों पे एक राइट स्वाइप भी नहीं हुआ है.
Oh.
But then, there's this. Ta-da! Profile number 2.
Oh.
तो ये reality है. Co-founder CTO होने के बाद I have to do the same packaging shit. बाकी लोगों की तरह.
That's so shitty. आजकल the word real, it's only for IG stories. Rest is all packaging. पूरी जिंदगी filters में निकालनी पड़ती है.
You know what? I really like you. Fuck everything else. This was amazing.
Yeah, isn't it?
I never thought I could have great sex with someone like you. Someone who doesn't have a 10 on 10 body. I mean, not even an 8 on 10. हाँ तो इतनी ज़्यादा cute भी नहीं हो. But sex तो ताबड़तोड़ था. मेरा आज का lesson, personality is underrated. So thank you, Shavana, for teaching me this. You have no idea how this opens a whole new window of girls to hook up with. Amazing. Let's do this again.
Just take one, Kay will kill us. Sometimes I think she loves these cookies even more than she loves me.
कौन सी गुड न्यूज़ बताने वाली थी? बता.
S-E.
No. Oh my God. Who? I feel bad कि मेरी आपसे तेरा भला नहीं हुआ. But छोड़. This is about you, not me.
But Akku, he really gets me. अब पता चला कि तेरा ये केचअप ऐप इतना बड़ा हिट क्यों बना. Because casual sex is like.
I know, right? मेरी भी टक्कर हुई आज एक से. बिल्कुल not my type. Basically, not hot type, but good personality type. But surprisingly, great sex. और उससे पहले I nailed this media interview for ketchup. Panku was so stressed. और मेरा testosterone मुझे ललकारेगा, but no. मैंने काम और काम के बीच लक्ष्मण रेखा खींच दी. I've become so mature, sis.
अच्छा, तभी तो तूने आज फोन नहीं उठाया.
You know what? मैं सोच रहा था I should start playing football again. I think I should face my fears.
स्कूल में तो उसी से ट्रिगर होकर सुसाइड करने निकला था. फुटबॉल मतलब सीधा उसी पे. और कोई चीज नहीं मिली टू फेस योर फियर्स.
आप लोग सो क्यों नहीं जाते? ये टाइम देख रहे हो क्या हो रहा है? बच्चों की तरह खीखी कर रहे हो.
Cookie?
Is that my box? What?
कि मैं कल ना तुम्हारे लिए 2 खरीद लूंगी.
ये सिलेक्ट बैचेस में बनते हैं. Shit, guys, you suck.
चल एक और सिलेक्ट बैच वाली कुकी खा ले फटाफट और फिर सोने जाते हैं.
Okay, guys, remember after the dynamic stretches, do this drill. It's key for balance awareness, right? Good.